Hello viewers, I will tell you how to download WhatsApp in Windows without using the Microsoft Store. Let's start. Open your Chrome browser first, or any other browser you have. Now search for WhatsApp on this website, and I'll also provide the link in the description. After searching, tap on the first link, and you will get this type of interface. Click on Get the latest version. Click on the download button. Your download has started. Now our WhatsApp setup file is on our computer. Now open your WhatsApp setup. Now click on Install on the setup. Now you can see that your installation has started. Now your WhatsApp is installed on your computer very easily. Now click on Get Started. For WhatsApp login on your PC, go into your mobile. Open WhatsApp on your mobile and click on the 3 dots in the corner. And then click on Link Devices. Now click on Link a Device and search this QR code from your mobile for your WhatsApp login on PC. That's it. Enjoy your WhatsApp after scanning the QR code. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for new tutorials.